Hello, welcome to Bulla Softworks Limited. So I'll show you how to add an item on Bulla point of sale. So how you do, you just log in to the system itself. You'll get a success notification. Now here you'll see the different categories. So if I want to add a product inside this location, for example, Saika, and say this is my location, these are my items which I want to add one more item here. Let me say I want to add let's say for a pharmaceutical, I want to add an item maybe called Maramoja in here. So how you do, you go to menu items, you go to menu items, then you go to menu items. In here you'll find the different location. If you have multiple location, you pick the location, and then in here you'll find your items. You just add new. You set the name of the product, say Maramoja for example, and this is a painkiller for headache, and then you say it's maybe given in pieces, and then one piece goes at 5. I bought it at 5 and then I sold it at 10, and then I have 20 pieces of such. Then you can add an item and you can add a QR code if you have it. You can scan with your QR while here. So just give you that QR, and then remember to select the location. Description is not mandatory, so you can either save that or leave it for later. So once you save that item will be added in here, and then if you go to your point of sale in here, you'll still find the item under this particular location that you set it. Here it is. So you can tap on it and add it to the cart and continue selling. How to create categories, these different categories that you have in here, like antibiotics, blah blah blah. I can say I want to create another category. How you do it, you just go to menu items, and then under here you'll find the different categories here. Let me add these to Saika. Yeah, so that's how you add it onto a location. So let's say I want to create a test category. Let's say I want a test category, and then I say the order is how it will be ordered on the point of sale itself. And then I say put it in Saika. I want this one to come last. Then I say I want to put it in Saika, and then I can give it a color if I want. So once I save that, that will go to in here. You can find we have items category created here called test. So in here also you can create the same group and add it onto the item. Maybe say you want now a group. So groups belongs to category. So you have category first, and then you have category, then groups, then you create items inside group. So groups are inside category, items are inside group. I hope that's easy to grasp. So to add a group, the same thing. You just come here, add the name, and then pick a category in which the group will be in, and then you save. So that's the same way you'll find them onto the point of sale in here. So once you come here, you'll find your item, and under this you'll find the different categories. Once you tap on your different category, you can see the groups within it. Yeah? So if there's no groups, you'll be able to see all the other stuff. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Subscribe and continue with the tutorial to make sure you grasp the exact process of creating items and having everything that you want. So thank you, guys. Cheers.